Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson and welcome again to WDT Media TV. We're here again at Mahoe Drive where the Water Commission had repaired a broken pipe here on the 4th of March 2020. Today is March 6, 2020. And we're seeing water running at the exact same location where they repaired a broken main on the 5th of March. But guess what? The broken main is not at the exact spot. It's nearby. And the water is running where they repaired it earlier. Again, it's down Mahoe Drive. It's for the spot that was repaired on the 4th of March. But the water is running at the same location. But the damaged main is not at the same place. It's up the lane. Coming, it's kind of running right here along, passing this little footpath here, and it's coming from all the way. We're going to show the exact spot tomorrow because it's now dark. So we're showing now the trail of the water is coming. You can see the water is running. Coming down all the way through the footpath here, and it's a broken main up in the main. But our second update, we show the exact spot where the water is running from. But now we can show the water trail coming through here past Barbican and it ended up on Mahoe Drive. It's coming from Quarry Path actually, and through here and then onto Mahoe Drive. We show the exact spot at daybreak tomorrow. You see the water trail is running again. Broken main. And it runs along here. Quarry Path. You can see fresh water running. And going out onto Mahoe Drive. So again, we're calling on the Water Commission to again come repair that area the same way they did to here some days ago. So again, almost at the same location is a broken pipe here. And the water is running, you can see here on Mahoe Drive, going down to White Wing and down to Olympic Way. I'm Dudley Thompson for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV. Again, feel free to like, share and subscribe. And also thanks in advance.